Are manual document tasks consuming hundreds or even thousands of hours in your organization? Dokken transforms the way you handle documents by digitalizing and streamlining document-driven processes. It captures, structures, and securely routes the right information into your company's systems, automatically and reliably. Dokken is built for organizations dealing with high document volumes, repetitive workflows, or complex documentation. From manufacturing and logistics to finance, customs, and public administration, Dokken adapts to industries where efficiency and accuracy are critical. From emails and cloud folders to servers and communication channels, Dokken ingests documents from any source: delivery notes, purchase orders, certificates, technical drawings, or full case files. Using AI, it extracts the key data and automates its processing instantly. Set your own business rules with an AI-powered assistant, review and validate outputs, and export structured data directly into your ERP, CRM, IT systems, repositories, or communication tools, effortlessly. Dokken is a fully configurable, no-code solution designed for every department. It delivers higher productivity, greater accuracy, and faster workflows, eliminating manual bottlenecks and reducing costly errors. Step into a new era of intelligent document automation with Dokken.